today I still got 2 more baskets of laundry after doing 3 yesterday. Still gotta finish the dishes. Bro's hair needs to be taken down, and Jeremiah has his first school project. So we got a lot going on.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, Miss and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this. I said, I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance.
Hey guys, my name is Kenyatta and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, then what's good? How you doing? How you living? What is up? So we still rocking with the ponytail from the birthday. Y'all saw yesterday and a little bit of today. We are just trying to get reset. You know how when you go on a trip, or like in this case birthday, like the week before leading up to it, you're just doing like a lot in preparation. So I think because of that, like a lot of other stuff just kind of fell by the wayside, and now I'm trying to get life together. Today I still got 2 more baskets of laundry after doing 3 yesterday. Still got to finish the dishes. Bro's hair needs to be taken down, and Jeremiah has his first school project. So we got a lot going on. I've just been showing y'all a little bit what's going on, just trying to get back into like the swing of, you know, mom life, work life, because it just feels a little bit overwhelming that I don't know, I just feel like I got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to do. Today we woke up and we edited this week's video that's gonna go out on Wednesday, and I found a way to like possibly like get it done with Jeremy awake, because a lot of times I either wait for Jermaine to get home or I just wait for like a nap. But this time I try not to like work while I lay, because it makes me lazy. Like the energy to do the work just isn't there. I used to do that with college. Like if I used to like lay in the bed and try to study or do anything, I would fall asleep. So I've learned like not to do that. But sitting at the table, I think, draws too much attention. Like bro just wants to keep coming over there, and I got to keep stopping and stuff. So I just sat with him on the couch, and he paid me no mind. Like he was messing with the Christmas tree. He was on his tablet. Like it was like, as long as I was in the same vicinity, he was like, okay, you do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So we finished editing. I finally ate. So now it's like all the things I just listed, I'm like, I gotta like get that. I feel like that's what this week's gonna be about. Like I gotta get like a reset vlog, just doing like the let's get back into the routine type stuff. And then this weekend we are going to Louisville, so I'll get to see my sister this weekend. So I just wanted to get on here and say hey and say what's up to the vlog, and I hope you guys are off to a great week.
You have 1 unheard message. First unheard message sent yesterday at 7:15 p.m.
Hey, what's up, kiddo? I'm kind of glad I went into voicemail so you can re-listen to this whenever you want. I know life sucks sometimes. I mean, I see it in your eyes that you're struggling. Battles you are facing mentally and physically. So honestly, if no one has told you, honestly, I am proud of you. If no one has told you today, this week, I am so proud of you. I'm proud of you for not giving up. You have something. Like, listen to me, you have something. The strength it takes for you to keep on going proves you have something. It proves you are a warrior. So do me a favor. Listen, do me a favor. Take a hot shower. Get some water.
Hybrid and on-campus opportunities, accessible tuition.
Hey guys, I have not talked this whole weekend trip. Oh, hold on, that's babe. Why is it not ringing on my... Hello?
So you want Sprite? They got the fancy strawberry. They got different Mountain Dews, Goji, citrus, strawberry Mountain Dew. They got Mountain Dew, Purple Thunder.
You said Triple Thunder.
Purple Thunder. They got Major Melon, strawberry melon iced tea.
Jeez.
They got mango iced tea, Sprite.
Too many
Big
decisions. You know I don't drink Big Red.
Hey, you smile.
I know. You want to surprise me? I know it's too many options.
Strawberry melon iced tea, mango iced tea, Mountain Dew raspberry voltage, Mountain Dew major melon, Sprite.
You want to try that raspberry?
They got Mountain Dew Purple Thunder.
Are you saying Purple Thunder?
Yes.
Oh. Ugh.
Then they got
sounds like cough medicine.
Mountain Dew Goji Citrus Strawberry.
Citrus strawberry?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
They got strawberry lemonade.
Let's do that. The citrus whatever.
Okay, let me just taste it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
Bye. So, I currently have not, we're leaving Louisville, it's the next day, and I just basically did like a visual diary of yesterday's events. We got into town, got some food, was at my sister's, because Jermaine went to Frankfurt, so we was just hanging out with Kel, and yeah, and now it's the next morning, it's 11:54, we're stopping to get gas, and we're headed back home to do all the things, you know, that you gotta do on Sunday. So I was like, I just want to say hey, because I ain't said a word. What's up, guys?
Keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, I gotta give a game proper. Pretty so she get it, there she is. I gotta stop.